If you're looking for something tropical, I'd recommend our non-alcoholic tropical punch. So with our tropical punch, mixing it all into a Boston shaker together. So you have orange juice, lemon juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, and sugar syrup. So for this one, you can dry shake or wet shake. A wet shake is when you're using ice, and a dry shake is when you're not using ice. Pineapple juice, when it's shaken together, actually does work in the same way that egg white or aquafaba would work, and it creates a lovely foam for your cocktail. So for this cocktail in the large side of your Boston shaker, you'd like to put in some orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar syrup just for that extra sweetness. You want to vigorously shake that all together with some ice. You can dump this straight into a highball, but what I would recommend is building over ice. So put all the ice into your glass and then double strain your cocktail over the top of the ice. That will create more of a lovely foam on top for your pineapple juice because it will remove all the air and create less bubbles on top of your drink.